Hello class, welcome to our first installment of our video lessons. Got a lot of requests. You guys wanted to see some video lessons, so here they are. The good news is you get to pause and slow down and stop and ask questions whenever you want. I'll be roaming around. You just raise your hand. Myself or Mr. T, we will come and help you. So today's lesson, let's get our heading. Oh, you're not going to be able to see that. Lesson 25. Lesson 25. Geometric interpretation of the solutions of a linear system. What the heck does that mean? We'll explain. Here we go. Let's see if I can speed this up. Alright, there's your warm-up. Go ahead and pause the video and complete the warm-up. But before you pause the video, please take out your homework from last night, your stamp sheet, have it ready for me. So when I come around and check on you to make sure you got the warm-up started, I can give you your classwork point and I can check your homework. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to your workbook. Alright, so we're on page 163, exploratory challenge. This is what you should be doing on your own. I'm going to give you a few hints and then I'm going to cut you loose because I know you guys can do this. So we're going to sketch the graph of the linear system on a coordinate plane. Basically, what it means by a linear system, it means there's more than one equation. So we're going to talk about what the graphs look like and what it means. What does it mean when they cross? What does it mean when they're parallel? What does it mean when they're perpendicular? We'll be talking about that. So to get started, how are we going to graph these two equations? What have we already talked about? Let's get a few points. Okay, so let's start here with this first equation. 2y plus x excuse me, equals 12. Let's make a table of values. What did we talk about were nice, pretty values to choose? We got x and we got y. We're going to choose a nice number for x, excuse me, and then we're going to solve for y. I'm going to choose 0 because if I choose 0, I'm going to have 2y plus 0, because x is 0, equals 12. And plus 0 just means like it's not even there. 2y equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. Why did I do that? Yes, so I get the y by itself. And it equals 6. So when x is 0, y is 6. Okay? Let's keep this first equation the yellow one. Okay? Maybe I have another color we can color for the other one. So, go ahead and make yourself a table for both of these and graph them. I'll get one more point here. I'm going to go with when y is equal to 0. Alright, there it is. So now I'm going to have 2. Instead of y, I'm going to use 0 because y is 0. Alright, plus x equals 12. What is 2 times 0? Of course it's 0. 0 plus x equals 12. I think you know by now x must be. So what does that tell us? Well, when x is 12, y is 0. Okay? I only need 2 points to draw a line. I might want a third just to check it. So let's see what we got. When x is 0, okay, x is -1, -2, 0, -1, +2, +3. So x is 0, and then we want y to be 6. So y is the up and down. So 0, 6. All right, and then 12, 0. So we go all the way out to 12, and we get 0. If you don't have a ruler, raise your hand. I'll come over and give you one, or Mr. T will. So let's try to get right on the points. My video setup is horrible, so I'm having a hard time getting in here. Got tripods and all kinds of crazy stuff. Alright, whoa, pretty okay? Alright, so, once again, like we said, this is going to be my yellow line. There you go. So we know the difference between the two. Alright, so let's do the same thing with our second equation. This is where we're going to be a little tricky, okay? We're going to make a table of values. Let's get 2 points, maybe 3, just to double sure, to make sure we have the right points. We have y equals 5, 6 times x minus 2. We've got x's here. We got y's there. What's a good number to choose? 0. Good call, Zach. Next time, raise your hand. All right. We're going to choose 0. Okay? So then we're going to have y equals 5, 6 times 0. 5, 6 times 0. Not x, because x is 0, so I got to put a 0 here. And that's minus 2. When I take 0, multiply it by any number, what do I get? Yes, a 0. And I still have minus 2. I still have y. So y equals 0 minus 2 is a